All right, we have packed up and hooked up and we are heading north. We've had another amazing time camping along the Crooked River with the otters, the skunks, the fish, and the birds.
Well, we're hiking the ancient trail. I think it's called the Ancient Lake Trail. And we know nothing about it other than it was close to where we're camping. And there's a bunch of lakes they refer to as the Ancient Lakes because we are in Scabland. And you can only get to them by hiking. And apparently there's camping up there. So it's going to be interesting when we get there and hopefully there's a beautiful view.
This hike is just over 2 kilometers. And the first kilometer is flat. The second kilometer, it starts descending down. This right here is sage, and it smells amazing. Have to watch for snakes with all this grass around. Coyote poo. It's Leeann way off in the distance there. And there's Leeann, I found her, and she is in her Hawaiian short setup. It was pretty amazing. We could hear the coyotes howling last night. And the wind was blowing like crazy last night as well. This here was some kind of wildflower earlier in the season. I don't know what it is now. All right, we finished the flat section and we are starting on the down, and some of it is apparently a 50% grade down. I would never be riding my bike on this. Not whatsoever. I'd be absolutely terrified.
I would never ride my bike up this. I'd ride it down this part, but this would be screechy. Scree? They call it scree. I would say somewhere in there is water because all this greenery is growing in the middle of rocks. I wonder if this was a volcano.
What are those? That's where we came from, and that's where we're going. We're heading up to a viewpoint. Hi. Hi. This is our last day on our trip. We're heading home tomorrow. And what an amazing way to spend our last day. Hiking in the Ancient Lakes area. Looks like we're going into a bit of a jungle. We're coming up to an ancient lake. Wow. There's one of the ancient lakes right there. It is like an incredible color. So amazing. Wow. Wow. I just can't believe I'm out here doing this. I am so grateful. Right over there is another ancient lake.
Another ancient lake.
I'm coming up on Leeann, and she is standing on the edge of glory.
I'm on the edge of glory.
We're heading down into there. We made it down to the bottom to one of the ancient lakes. Wow. So incredible. We're going back up. We're heading up. See you at the top. Whew. We made it to the top and we have a kilometer back to the car. See you there. Couple hundred meters to go and we're done. Woohoo! Woohoo!
I really enjoyed that. I felt like the up was just enough, so it wasn't too hard. It was very majestic when we got out there and open and things I hadn't seen before. Really good hike. Nobody's out there. Nobody knows about this, I think. And I recommend it for you guys to get out there and do it.
The perfect day for a hike. And now we're gonna go and eat. Bye!
Bye.
We are back at the trailer. We are both taking a rest from our amazing hike that we had today.
Hi. How's everybody? I'm having a rest. Goodbye.
I think I'm gonna get up and cook some dinner. I'm getting hungry. Got some potatoes cooking up here. And we're gonna have that with some steak tonight. After dinner, we are going to pack everything up and hitch up the trailer because we are going to be leaving first thing in the morning, really early, to make the drive home.
This is the potatoes cooked up with butter and yellow pepper. Oh, it's actually yum, 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 yum. This is so good. Steak, yes! Good cut, I hope. Good.
We would like to thank everyone who has watched our videos.
Yes, we would.
And who has subscribed to our channel.
We thank you and we love you.
Favorite thing here are the hornets. I love hornets and I love wasps. In fact, it was being stung by a wasp 2 weeks ago at work that pushed me over the edge and has made my decision to leave work. It's time and I'm excited for everything that's ahead for me. So I guess I have to thank that wasp for pushing me over the edge. Thank you, wasp. Well, we've had an amazing trip. We've had our dinner. We've gotten everything.
I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to walk around straight,
okay,
I'll follow you. But I'm not spinning.
We've had our dinner and we have packed everything up and we are ready to go in the morning. I have had an amazing trip.
It's been really good, really relaxing. My heart rate has come down.
We really appreciate you watching our channel.
So please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next adventure.
And remember,
keep on
adventuring.
adventuring.